Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be achieving this stunning marble look with gel polish. I like to call it a tile/surface marble, as the actual marbling is done on a glass tile or another surface. Before we get started, on the screen will be a list of all the gels used in this tutorial in order to achieve this exact look. If you want to follow along with me, pause the video and grab the similar color gels that you have, and we can get started with the tutorial. Firstly, I'm going to grab all of my gel colors, starting off with my yellow, orange and red gel polishes, my red Mega Diamond glitter gel polish, and my Nano diamond glitter pot gel. As well, I'm grabbing my black and white gel polish. So on the nail, I just put one coat of my yellow-orange gel polish called Lemon Cream. Then, grabbing my glass tiles and my gels, I will start off with one gel and make a line of gel on the tile. Then I will go in with my next gel. I really recommend always putting a light color next to a dark color. This ensures you will always get a nice contrast, which will make the marble very clear and defined. Placing colors with a similar lightness next to each other will give you a softer and more blurry marble, which, to be fair, may be your intent, but I personally love contrast. After lining all my colors, I will coat a liner brush in the Nano diamond glitter. Then I will swirl through from one end to the other and back and repeat. The more you swirl, the more marbled your colors will be. But swirl too much and you will start to mix your colors. With marbles, less is more. Then I will use an ombre brush, holding it with a low angle. I will push to pick up a portion of the marble, loading it onto the brush. I will then carefully apply the gel with a flat angle and a very slight wiggle. I profusely apologize for my dumb thumb. I didn't notice during filming, but I will now be very wary of it. I will repeat the picking up and applying until I've covered the nail in marble. Always go in one direction to maintain a consistent flow. If there are little parts you have missed, go in with the corner of the ombre brush and drag some gel to fill that area. It is a marble, no one will notice. Once you are happy with the marble, pop it into the lamp to cure, and top coat after cure. Now for the second nail, I will grab my amazing blooming base from Zaza. I will repeat the steps for application on this nail, but with a few changes. The main being that the marble is being applied to an uncured layer of the blooming base, and I won't be covering the whole nail with marbles. Instead, allowing the edges of the marble and the background to be visible. Blooming base basically just blurs the edges of any gel in it. It can create really interesting and dynamic nail looks. As you can see, it almost looks like the marble is fading into the background color, making it very dynamic. The longer the gels are on the nail, the more their edges will feather. Once you're happy, pop it into the lamp and cure. Apply a glossy top coat and cure. An alternative to the glass is naturally the matte, which also looks remarkable and almost changes the whole look. I don't know about you, but I just can't help but adore marbles and their uniqueness and mesmerizing detail. These nails just give me major Jupiter vibes, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do leave any feedback or comments. They are greatly appreciated. And have a lovely rest of whenever you are watching this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Toodles!